Let's be honest, milling stainless steel can be an absolute nightmare. Sticky chips, work hardening, and chipped teeth. Sound familiar? It loves to stick to your tool, and conventional milling just rubs against the hardened surface, killing your end mill way too fast. Here's the game changer. Switch to a high-heel Xcend mill with massive chip pockets. It stays sharp, handles the impact, and boosts tool life by over 200%. Oh, and always use climb milling for a smooth cut. Stop wasting time and money on broken tools. Click below to grab your stainless steel beast today.